Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Clickbank Engine Marketplace. I don't know if you've heard about this. I don't know if you've looked into this, but this is a Clickbank Engine Marketplace where you can find products and services and you could get more information about that product. So basically, what's the refund rate? How many people are purchasing? If is the graph going up or down? Is people losing? Is the affiliate sales going down, up? You could see all that good information using this Clickbank Engine Marketplace. Now, before I dive into this video, I would like you to smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment for me if you have any questions. If you have any suggestion about if you want me to create a video specific topic, just let me know. And don't forget to share this video. So let's just dive into this video. Clickbank Engine, the website is called cbengine.com. Now, if you come to this, you could see that down here is a home page. All right, this is the home page, and it's giving a couple of offers just down here. So first of all, it has an advertised product. I guess this is an advertised product. All right, and then down here, this is this is not the advertised product. This is basically the pro service. All right, products we highly recommend promoting. So CB Engine has their own recommendations too. So you can see that realmoneystream.com new top offer. Okay, if I just click on the view affiliate information, it's going to give me more information about this product using the JV page. So this is basically the JV page from realmoneystream.com. Okay, this is the affiliate link. Why is CB Engine actually recommending this affiliate products? Okay, so you could see it's giving you all the tools because it's a win-win situation. Basically, you're going to promote this product and the vendor's going to make money. You could come down and you could see the CB Engine is recommending another product as well. All right, if I click on this, it takes me to the sales page. So you could see the sales page as well. Now this sales page does look quite good. Okay, and yes, it's quite attractive if you just watch the video. All right, so you can see that there's so many products right on the homepage where CB Engine is recommending you promote. You can see the 1 minute weight loss product. You can see the ultra manifestation product as well. If you scroll down, you can see some more products down here. All right, also you could advertise if you want to advertise a product as well. So basically you just pay $100. It's $100 per month to take a slot on cbengine.com. Now, if you want to find some more better product, you can see the top Clickbank vendors right now. Okay, the top Clickbank vendors. Okay, you could see these are the top Clickbank vendors, and you could find Clickbank products based on new products, best gains, top gravity, insiders, reviews, etc. etc. Now, I want to show you how to look into a product and how to see if the graph is going up or down, etc. etc. So if I come to the right hand side, okay, I'm just gonna select e-business e-marketing, and I'm just gonna go down and click on search. Let's see what comes up. So you can see here all these products are coming up, but I don't want cooking and food. I want e-business and e-marketing, and we're going to click on search again, and okay, there you go. So you could see that the first product that they are recommending according to ranking is this called the wholesale dropship directory. If you look at the gravity is quite low compared to other products like this one. Look at this live chat jobs. It's got a very good gravity. So we need to find out on why they are recommending this product. Let's just go here and let's see some more information about this product. Okay, so you could see here, you could get your affiliate link down here. Okay, the vendor ID is saying who. Okay, it's got marketplace rating is 5-star, 5 out of 5. It's a one-time product. The gravity is 28.22. Commission is 50%. Average per sale is $106.78. All right. and you can see some more information down here. If you just go to the payout, okay, in the payout section you can see the graph from here, that the graph has been climbing and now it's going down. So you could see it's not steady, so it's quite dropped if you look at it, okay, from December, actually from 2011. So this is yearly, okay, so this is not going to be harmful. We want to see in the last, if you could see, it's just a steady graph, okay. As you could see down here, it's been a steady graph in the last couple of months, in fact couple of years. All right, if I go down, if I look at the graph, this is the payout graph, okay, by the way. If you look at the graph according to the gravity, you could see that it started off with 28, all right, and then from here it was only 28, then it went to 28.46, and now it's starting to drop down again. All right, now basically gravity just basically means how many successful affiliates are promoting and getting paid. All right, and if you go to related, let's see what they have to share when it comes to related. More related products. All right, so these are other products more related to this. Okay, so these are like, okay, I'm not interested in these type of products. So there you go. You have a CB Engine marketplace where you can actually go out there and start searching products, get more information on products, and even find hidden product that has a very low gravity but actually is a very good product, up-to-date product, and will make you a lot of money. All right, CB Engine is quite good and it's a better place to find products compared to Clickbank. Clickbank doesn't give you enough information when CB Engine is going to share everything with you. And then if you come onto the top, you could see, you could have the plugins, you could have the bookmarks, you could advertise. Okay, they do have a free like right now I'm looking at all this as free. I don't have an account with them, so you don't have to log in to look at this information, but there are some information, I guess, that you might have to become a pro member to see more details. And if you look at down here, you can see, you can find the Clickbank recurring products, and you could see the features, okay, members, my account activate. So this is for people who are member of this cbengine.com, okay, but it's quite a good engine, marketplace engine for Clickbank users. If you want to see more information about products and you want to decide to promote a product, or you want to find a product that's a hidden good product, but unfortunately it's not found on Clickbank, you might find it on the cbengine.com. All right, so I hope this video has been helpful. Now let me just talk about one of the best products out there that's changing people's lives. If you're interested in making real affiliate commissions online every single month up to $10,000 per month, then you need to click the link in the description box below this video. This is the product you're going to see. So first of all, you're going to see a landing page, and then you need to enter your email address. So you're going to see a landing page similar to this one, okay? So when you come here, put your real email address inside here so we could send you more information, okay? Real email, click on the button, and then you're going to be redirected to this page like this, okay? You can watch the video, and when you watch the video, you could read more information. You can see real people, real results, testimonials of people making and crushing it with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products, and they are making up to $10,000 plus every single month in real affiliate commissions. Okay, it's one of the best products out there. Okay, and you could see the bonuses that you're going to get. One of the bonuses, which is priceless, is a one-on-one private coaching session. Okay, so this is bonus number 5. Okay, look at this, bonus number 5, 2-for-1 super affiliate sniper members access. When you join today, we will give you full access for a friend, family member, or business partner. Okay, there you go. So this is priceless, my friend. So you could get this as a very good product. All right, and it's one of the best products on the net that's teaching people how to make real affiliate commissions with Clickbank. Okay, so if you are interested, click the link in the description box below this video. All right, when you click on the link in the description box below this video, you could watch the video, you could get more information, and when you're interested in joining, just click this green button here. When you click the green button here, you're going to come to the page and just complete all the information, and there you go. You will have access to this product, and you will able to start watching the video, start taking massive action, and start seeing some potential real results with affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products. Now, this just doesn't work with Clickbank. It works with Clickbank. It works with other affiliate marketplace as well. As you can see from the testimonials, if I scroll down, you can see this is a Clickbank result from a guy who's using this system to promote Clickbank product and is making just over $2,000 a week. But this guy, you can see he's made $401 in revenue in a single day. And this is not a Clickbank marketplace. This is another network. That just shows that this product as system works with Clickbank and other networks. And also this product and system, which I call the 10K Clickbank machine, is 100% newbie and beginners friendly. So you can join this, and if you're just getting started online and you just don't know what to do, how to do it, you're just sick and tired with all the BS out there, and you're sick and tired with all the garbage out there, you're jumping from one side to the other side to the other side, from one product to the other product to the other product, then this is the solution, my friend. This product will potentially change your life. All right, so all the links are in the description box below this video. When you click on that link, you're going to come to a page similar to this one. Just enter your real email address here that you check normally, and then you will be redirected to this page. You could watch the video, you could see the testimonials, everything, and you could see what you're going to get access to. And guess what? You could see the bonuses as well. All right, and then if you scroll down, you're 100% risk free. This is a risk free product. That's right, you get a 30-day money back guarantee as well. All right, so it's a risk-free product, nothing to lose and everything to gain. All right, so click the link in the description box below this video, get started, and make this year one of the best years for yourself, where you can live the .com lifestyle, time freedom, location freedom, and money freedom.